case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark case in 2002, a widow took on the automotive giant, Volkswagen of America, Inc., at the New York Court of Appeals. She instituted a lawsuit claiming that a defect in her late husband's Volkswagen Jetta exacerbated his injuries in a fatal crash. The accident unfolded on May 10, 1995, as the Jetta crashed alarmingly into a steel utility pole after veering off an exit ramp. Despite the husband's known intoxication at the time, the widow boldly argued that the deadly encounter was not due to her husband's fault alone. It was the flawed vehicle's design, she strenuously argued, that significantly contributed to the fatal injuries. Volkswagen, not acquiescing to these charges, promptly pointed to the driver's intoxication as the sole culpability in the accident. The trusted German automaker, sidestepping the specifics of the alleged design fault, moved for summary judgment in the Supreme Court. The court, somewhat unexpectedly, sided with Volkswagen, giving their stance credence and subsequently setting the wheels in motion for an appeal. The widow's appeal ignited a fierce debate about the so-called Barker-Manning rule. This rule stipulates in no uncertain terms that plaintiffs cannot profit from their own law-breaking behavior in tort actions. The widow was not seeking reward for her late husband's wrongdoing, but rather aiming to hold Volkswagen accountable for the perceived defective design of their vehicle. To the surprise of many, the Court of Appeals reversed the Supreme Court's initial decision. They denied Volkswagen's motion for summary judgment, allowing the widow to continue her quest for justice. The judges reasoned that, despite the husband's clear violation of the law, the alleged vehicle defect must be considered. They affirmed that if a defendant, in this case Volkswagen, had breached its duty to produce a safe product, it could still be held accountable, even if the plaintiff's own unlawful conduct had played a part in the mishap. The final twist in this legal saga was a stark reminder of a car manufacturer's unwavering duty to produce safe vehicles, irrespective of driver's conduct. It also resonated as a powerful testament to the court's commitment to comparative fault analysis in tort claims, an approach that reasonably attributes liability in proportion to each party's contribution to an accident.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.